Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to complete contracts in SAND. Contracts are one of the best ways to earn large amounts of crowns, especially if you've collected more loot than you plan to keep. The trade-off is that you'll have to complete them during an expedition, making them a fairly risky activity. If you want a more relaxed experience, it's best to do them in voyage mode, where you won't have to worry about a time limit. To start a contract, head to any fort on the map. As you approach in your trampler, find the fort's entrance, and you'll notice that the main gate is locked. To get inside, man one of your trampler's cannons and blast the gate open. Once you're inside, clear out any enemies guarding the fort and begin making your way toward the objective. You'll notice a contract nearby indicator on the left side of your screen that displays your distance from the contract platform. As you explore the fort, be sure to loot everything you can. Forts often contain high-quality loot, and you'll need those items to complete the contract. Eventually, you'll reach the contract's platform, usually located near the top of the fort beside a smoke grenade. You'll notice that it accepts a crate, but nothing happens if you place an empty one on it. Instead, fill a crate with loot you've collected around the fort, then place the loaded crate onto the platform. The total value of the items inside will appear on the left side of your screen. After a few moments, a balloon will lift the crate into the air and extract it. About a minute later, the platform will return, carrying your payment in crowns. Contracts generally reward more crowns than simply selling the same loot in the shop, making them an excellent way to earn money if you're willing to take the extra risk. Once the platform goes on cooldown, you can continue looting the fort or return later to complete another contract. Just remember that forts are popular locations, so stay alert while you're completing contracts. Other players may show up hoping to steal your loot or the contract reward, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.